Welcome back, everybody. This is how you tie a bowling knot. Now, this is a very handy knot for anything that you're doing. First, you're going to take your line, you're going to make a B, a lowercase b, and then you're going to pretend like this other end is a rabbit. There's your B there. You're going to pretend this is a rabbit, and it's coming up out of the hole at the bottom of a tree. It goes around the tree, and then it's going to run back in the hole. I know that's kind of hard to see, but you pull both of those lines, and it creates a cinch on the main line. And the great thing about this is a super strong knot, but I'm going to show you how easy it is to come undone if you're pulling a truck out or anything that you're doing with a lot of tension. You take this little loop here, you push it back over, no matter how tight you got it, you pull it right back over, and it can come undone easily. Like and subscribe for more.